Hey guys, this is Cheryl with the Power Lead system, and this is my view out my back deck. A little windy tonight, but I just want to give you a heads up about what is important about sales funnels if you're doing business online and what you need to know about that. And I do live in Alaska, and I have 7 grandkids, and I really enjoy the time freedom that having your own business gives you. So I want to go over some information about it on my computer, so stay tuned for that. Thanks. Hey, this is Cheryl Traxler with the Power Lead system, and I just wanted to show you my back office and show you how you can get paid consistently and show you proof that I got over 50 sales with the Power Lead system funnel, which is why sales funnels, high converting sales funnels are excellent and important for your business. And so I'm going to show you that as well. The gold membership is a $53 with a $20 residual income. And the diamond's $147 with $100 one-time payment. And this is your platinum, $497 with a $400 payment that you get one-time payments. So you actually get residual commissions on top of one-time payments. So that's why it adds up and is a really good income source. So you can it will help you grow a full-time income with this system because it is such a powerful system. And I remember back years ago that we had a very powerful funnel when I was building a business then. And then I had this breakthrough when I got into Power Lead system with 6-figure earners that this was also a powerful funnel that creates sales. And I would wake up to sales all the time because this system did that with this funnel that you have access to if you join my team. And also you are paid weekly with the Power Lead system. And I want to show you I'm going to go over here and show you the commissions here for, all right, these would be the Power Lead system, personally sponsored sales, okay? So I'm going to run through the personally sponsored sales. You can see that right here, all the way down to the bottom where you see my name at the bottom. This is the Power Lead system. It is my sales. I don't stay there very long because it's people's personal info, but you can see a huge list of people that were paid people through my Power Lead system that gave me that incredible sales. And I also have that it was automated because I did not talk or any of that to any of these people. They just upgraded because our funnel is so incredible. And I just want to share this information with you. So as you can see, people need funnels for their business so it can work while they don't have to. So people that are 6-figure earners and those are very good at earning money use funnels. This is why I need to share this with you. And we have live training 2 or 3 times a week that shows you how you can build this. We also have our own special group, which is my team, that we can show you how to build as well with free traffic. And we are excited that you're here. Appreciate you watching this video. And I want you to stay inspired. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and enjoy the rest of your week. Thank you.